if you enjoy soup half as much as I do, then I assure you this is going to be one of your most favorite dishes you would have ever made in your whole entire career of soup making. I'm telling you this for facts, people. It's literally the most flavoursome, heartwarming, just spirit blessing dishes you would have ever tasted in your whole entire life. And this is something that I make for myself and those that I love when either they are feeling down or, they're under the weather or we're not feeling as well. It's such a nice dish to just pull out of the stocks and just to set the place ablaze. Do you know what I mean? Like when you're going through those emotions and going through those little times of the year where your nose is running, what is best? What is better than a nice bowl of hearty lentil soup with the added celebrity visit of lamb, one of my favorite meats, or poultry as some might like to call. I just call it meats because that's what it is. It's meat. It's lamb, it's meat. Okay. But one of my favorite soups ever would be a soup that has lamb in it, because I just feel like it gives it the best flavor. Now, the process you're seeing in front of your very eyes is going to be something that I'm going to be including on a project that I'm working on that's going to be out very soon, and I cannot wait to tell you guys more about it. But this is a preview of what's to come. You can call it a little red herring if you want to really get like fancy with the linguistics and stuff, but it's very much a little preview for what's to come in my very, very highly anticipated, and I say this because I have enough people in my life who've asked me about it, so I cannot wait to tell you when it is ready, when it's going to be out. But until then, please enjoy this video and just take it as a little Easter egg for what is going to be coming in the future in better detail, high quality information that's going to just be something you're going to want to have in your kitchen. If you don't have my next project in your kitchen, you have lost your marbles, and I'm going to help you find them. Okay, I'm going to help you find them, my darling. Okay, now the process may look different. It may look, foreign to someone earlier, but the way I do things is not how everybody else does their things. So in that sense, I'm checking. I had to bring the Trini out one year, but this is something that I just learned to do differently because of like things that I saw, things that I put together. Food is something that I am extremely passionate about. I think for my whole entire life, I've just been obsessed with flavors, textures, just making things taste good and just enjoying the experience through eating. I think has been one of my favorite things to do. So obviously I'm going to have a project coming out based on that, so I just can't wait to show you guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. There was more things added to this, but this again is a preview to what's to come. God bless you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.